What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Doing a little driving today. I'm an errand boy. Yeah, I still got some people with some buy here, pay here, even though I did close the lot. I still have some people on contract making some payments on cars. So I gotta go collect the payment right now. I gotta go drive a couple exits north and get some cash. These people, you know, there's a few people don't want to pay with their card. So I gotta make sure you gotta get that money, man. You gotta go get it. So I'm heading that way now. We're having some sunny days. In my car, I keep getting a cell light. I can't get rid of this cell light lately, so I'm gonna have to figure this out. So tomorrow I'm gonna bring it to my buddy's shop, RSP Automotive Solutions, my boy Miguel. You've been there before, the video with me. He's done a couple things for me. We're gonna get the oil changed. I changed the tune. I have two sets for that E85 tune, so I changed it this morning to see if maybe the tune's setting off these sensors. It's just some airflow sensors, I think, that are going off. It's nothing majorly serious that's happening right now with the engine lights that I'm getting. So we'll see. We'll figure it out. Maybe me and him can run the codes and see what's happening. So anyways, I got to drive. I got the manual, so I'm about to, light's going to turn green here in a second. I got to switch. I guess if I don't make sure these cell lights are nothing serious, that could be me on the side of the road. Hopefully not with the infamous crank hub issue, because yeah, I still have a stock crank hub, guys. Haven't switched. Maybe we could talk about a little bit of highway etiquette. 3 lanes, 3-lane system. Man, does anybody else have an issue in their state? Now, you guys know I'm in Florida. I know you guys, local guys, some of y'all watch the video, but this highway etiquette sometimes doesn't make any sense. Now, some people love to stay in this left lane, and they're really just going the same speed as the person in the middle lane. Sorry about this bouncing here, you know, with the video, but I'm just holding the camera and pulling forward here. So, and then a lot of times I drive this every day, this route I take every day to work, and a lot of times I'm in the right lane having to pass everybody. Does anybody else have this issue? I can't figure this out, why people don't understand that maybe I should get out the way when somebody behind me is going faster than me. And then sometimes there's nobody in the middle lane. Oh, this guy made sense of it in front of me. Look at that. He actually got over into the middle lane. And look at this rain just out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Florida problems, guys. Florida problems. So I have a free lane now because today's Sunday. I'm filming on Sunday, so there's definitely a lot less cars right now for me to have to worry about. But if I actually took this drive all the way up to Brandon, I would most likely spend a lot of time in that right lane, even on Sundays, because I work on Sundays. Every other Sunday I'm at work too. So sometimes I have to be in that right lane. Like, these people don't get it. If I get over now, like usual, I got really nobody passing behind me, but I always get over in the middle lane at least. And a lot of times I'll hang out in the right lane. If there's no cars, I'm going to use the right lane. You know, I mean, they should be in the right lane. And then I have people who get upset out there in the world who complain. I see on Facebook, why are people passing me in the right lane? I wouldn't be passing you in the right lane if you were in the proper lane, if you're not passing anyone, which is the right lane. Most people stay in this middle lane, though. I've noticed that a lot too. A lot of people use this middle lane, which is crazy. There'll be nobody at all. That right lane's always empty, and then they just drive in the middle lane. I'm not sure what that is. If you guys can help me out and help explain why people do these things on the highway, and I'm sure it's probably where a lot of you live as well too, because it can't just be here in Florida. At least I'm trying to be hopeful to think it's not in Florida. See, I think this guy just decided to speed up a little bit, noticing that I'm behind him. He was actually driving the same speed as this car right here. wasn't passing them. Oh, there goes my oil change, just as I'm chatting. I changed the tune so it cleared the code, but obviously I need an oil change. We got to do that tomorrow, so we got to see if this cell light comes back on too, so I hope it doesn't. If it doesn't, I'm in there, then it was just the tune, the other E85 tune I had. If it comes on again, then I must have some bad sensors, or maybe a plug is unplugged right somewhere in there. I don't know, maybe it's my downpipes, maybe it's from that. I don't know, it's a sensor somewhere, but hopefully tomorrow my boy Miguel finds it. By the time you watch this video, hopefully I've got it corrected. See, point given. Middle lane, passing him up. Right lane. Told you. That's how it works. I drive in this right lane. You don't even need to get over. And I think the guy in the Cadillac Escalade in front of me, he was definitely hauling ass. He was in front of me. He went in this lane too. See, look, I don't know if you can see him way up there, but he's definitely using this lane. We're already here at our exit. I'll meet this guy at this little public plaza real quick. Collect this cash, monies. Got to get the monies, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so we're here at the Publix waiting. Publix. If you guys never been to Publix, the best supermarket on the planet. I'm sure some of you in the Midwest. What do you guys have? North? Kroger's? Is it Kroger's? I'm not sure what it is. But Publix is still the best. They got the best deli. They're a bit pricey. But their stores are clean. And they got some bomb-ass customer service, man. I mean, these kids will ask you to carry a bag out, and you might have like one pack of gum in a bag. Do you need some help with that? Don't worry, this is not sponsored by Publix. I just happen to actually love them. Oh man, I gotta give this thing a bath. It's so filthy. Hey, don't run me over. The Raptor's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet Raptor. Nice little Raptor right there. You guys see the Raptors? They're coming back with a V8 supercharged one or something. I guess they're going to compete with Dodge, because Dodge is doing that Hellcat Dodge Ram version or something. So either way, payment, money. That's what we need, the money, the car payments. Make sure those things get paid. Got to keep that money flowing, guys. Oh, we're going to head back home. It's a beautiful day now. It stopped raining. The sun is out. Super bright. Well, I tried to have a little fun with that Dodge Daytona. What kind of power do those make? I don't even know. What are they, 392s? Is that what they are? The same as a 392? I'm not sure. I heard him get on it. I thought he was going to try to do something, but I guess not. And then when I got off on the exit, behind me, there was a little gray with a blue stripe Hellcat. That would have been a much more entertaining race, I think. I don't think the Daytona's really that quick. I've raced plenty of stock Hellcats. They're definitely not faster. So fast, but not faster. Demon though, tried that one time. That didn't work out. Those things are pretty freaking fast.